Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Suzuki SV1000S. This leader bike V-twin supersport just arrived with only 1,907 miles. Gorgeous metallic blue paint scheme, an awesome sounding Two Brothers exhaust system, super low miles, one owner. It's got a Sargent custom saddle. Come by, make your V-twin super sport dreams come true for just $45.99 on this one owner 2006 SV1000S. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.